I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you a colorful and easy makeup you can create for Valentine's Day. Let's start with cleaning the skin. For that, I will be using Nivea cleansing milk. After that, I will put on the primer. I will use the primer from Before Anything Else Master Prime Oil.
Not knowing what it was, I will not give you up this time.
You can use your hands to put it on, or a sponge. Do as you like.
And in your eyes, you're holding mine.
Then I will put the foundation. This one is from e.l.f. in the shades Light Ivory. I will apply it with a brush.
Barefoot on the bars, baby.
Don't forget your neck.
Stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home.
Next, I will apply the concealer, and I will be using Paris Berlin in the shades N2. I will blend these two shades and then apply them with a small brush.
We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against odds. I know we'll be alright this time, darling. Just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes, baby. Dance.
Make sure you blend it well. After that, I will move into the brows. I use a pencil from MAC. I don't know the shade of it because it doesn't say on the package.
Oh no, here we go again, fighting over what I said. I'm sorry, yeah, I'm sorry. Better love, no, I'm not good at this, but I can't say I'm innocent, not hardly.
Don't forget to brush the brows after filling them with color.
True, I don't know who I am without you. I got it bad, babe.
We are now correcting them with concealer.
Me, I need someone. On days like this I do. On days like this, oh tell me you love me. I need someone. On days like this I do. On days like this, could you give me that tea? You ain't nobody till you got somebody. You ain't nobody till you got somebody. And I hope I never see the day that you move on and be happy without me, without me. Oh, what's my hand without your heart to hold? I don't know what I'm living for if I'm living.
We are moving now to the powder, and for this video I use Essence Mattifying Compact Powder in the shades pastel beige. And first I will put it under my eyes and then all over my face.
Days like this I do, on days like this, oh tell me you love me. I need someone, on days like this I do, on days like this. Could you give me a You ain't nobody till you got somebody. You ain't nobody till you got somebody. My heart's like you ain't nobody till you got somebody. You ain't nobody till you got somebody. Everything I need.
Now let's add some glow to our face. I used the highlighter from e.l.f. in the shades Moonlight Pearl.
And downs, baby, I'ma stick around. I promise we will be alright. Oh, tell me you love me. I need someone. On days like this, I do. On days like this, oh, tell me you love me. I need someone. On days like this, I do. On days like this, could you give my heart to?
For the bronzer, I will use Catrice powder in the shade Sun Kissed Browns.
I know that we will be alright, yeah.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day discover something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. When we came, we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. But you and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour and how your family's doing okay. And leaving, getting a taxi, kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now.
Let's add some color to that eyes, shall we? I will be using a sleek palette from Editat collection in the shades Ultra Matte V1. I choose a purple color and a pink one. We start with the purple one, put it onto the crease, and then we add the pink color again into the crease.
I'm in love with your body. Every day discover something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Come on, be my baby, come on. 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 I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. My heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discover something brand new. I'm in love with your body.
For the cut crease effect, we use the concealer. and we cut slightly above the crease.
I'm in love with your body. Maybe please go out for some movement. I'm in love with the shape of you.
Now I used a glitter pigment from Alemie Pro,
Drinking from plastic cups, singing love is forever.
and I put it into the inner corner of the eye.
Dancing on the hood in the middle of the world, going on one night where we sang songs with our childhood friends. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the world, going on one night where we sang songs with our childhood friends. And it went like this, say, na na na, Papa singing ba ba ba. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, baby, one more time. Paint a picture for you and me of the days when we were young, singing up the top of both our lungs.
Then we use again the purple shade for the external corner of the eye.
Now we're under the covers. Fast forward to 18, we are more than lovers. Yeah, we are all we need when we're holding each other. I'm taken back to 2002. Yeah, dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods on an almost night where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods.
For the middle part, I use the pink shade and I blend them together to look more even.
Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, baby, one more time. Paint a picture for you and me of the days when we were young, singing up the top of both our lungs. On the day we fell in love. On the day we fell in love. On the day we fell in love. On the day we fell in love.
For the eyeliner, I use a pencil from e.l.f. in the shades Jet Black.
Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, baby, one more time. Paint a picture for you and me of the days when we were young, singing up the top of both our lungs. We sang sports. We sang sports. We sang sports.
When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet, will your mouth still remember the taste of my love?
Now we're applying some fake lashes.
I still smile from your cheek. Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. Baby, my
Mascara is from Essence. It's called Bye Bye Panda Eyes.
I'm thinking about how
For the cheeks, I'm going to use a blush from Farmaci. For the lips, I choose a pink lipstick.
Same way. I know you will still love me the same. 'Cause honey, your soul could never grow old, it's evergreen. And baby, your smile's forever in my mind and memory. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious.
So that is the end look. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share it to your friends. And yeah, see you soon. Bye.